In our last adventure, we saw the Jungle King drown the market in leaves. Money was everywhere, but bananas were nowhere to be found. This is the tragedy of the leaf race. Most monkeys spend their whole lives running faster just to stay in the same place. But today, we meet the monkey who broke the cycle. Today, we learn the secret of the banana tree. The jungle market is a loud place. Look at these monkeys. They trade their time for leaves, and then immediately trade those leaves for a single snack. They are consumers. To them, a leaf is only good for what it can buy right now. They eat, they're happy for a minute, and then they are hungry and broke again. They are stuck on a treadmill of survival. But our monkey is different. He looks at a golden leaf and doesn't see a snack. He sees a seed. He finds a tiny, fragile banana tree sapling. The seller says, "It's cheap because it's not a banana yet." The other monkeys laugh. Why buy a stick when you can buy a fruit? But monkey knows, a fruit lasts a day. A tree lasts a lifetime. Let's pause the story for a lesson. What is an asset? An asset is anything that puts bananas in your pocket without you having to climb a tree. What is a liability? A liability is anything that takes bananas out of your pocket. A fancy cave with a view is a liability. A banana tree, that is the ultimate asset. It is a machine that manufactures wealth while you sleep. Then came the hard part, the invisible growth phase. For months, Monkey had no bananas. He was digging, watering, and protecting his sapling while others were feasting. He looked poor. He looked like a failure. But underneath the soil, something magical was happening. The roots were spreading. Remember, no one sees the roots. They only envy the fruit. One day, the tree gave its first bunch. But did Monkey eat them all? No. He took the new seeds and planted them again. This is compounding. One tree became 4. 4 became 16. Suddenly, the grove was bigger than his needs. He didn't have to work for leaves anymore. The leaves, the very things he once chased, were now growing on his own property. Now, Monkey wakes up when the sun hits his face, not when the hunger hits his stomach. He has financial freedom. He has reclaimed his time. He can play, he can learn, or he can help other monkeys plant their first seeds. He is no longer a slave to the Jungle King's leaf printing press. He owns the means of production. The question is, are you collecting leaves, or are you growing trees? Every leaf you spend today on a snack is a tree you'll never own tomorrow. Start small. Plant your first seed. Subscribe to Banananomics, and let's turn this jungle into your garden. See you in the next tree.